America is a land of innovation and freedom, and its automotive history is a testament to that spirit. From the roaring engines of the classic Ford Mustang, which defined the muscle car era, to the raw power of the Dodge Charger, a symbol of American grit and performance, these cars have left an indelible mark on our culture. And let's not forget the Tesla Model S, a marvel of modern engineering that's revolutionizing the way we think about electric vehicles. Each of these iconic cars tells a story of passion, design, and the relentless pursuit of speed. They embody the American dream on wheels, showcasing not just transportation, but a lifestyle that celebrates freedom and adventure. The Ford Mustang is more than just a car, it's an icon of the American dream. Since its debut in 1964, it has become a symbol of freedom and rebellion, capturing the hearts of car enthusiasts and casual drivers alike. The retro models, with their sleek lines and powerful engines, paved the way for a legacy that still thrives today. As we shift to the modern Mustangs, we see a perfect blend of classic charm and cutting-edge technology. These machines roar down the open road, embodying the spirit of adventure and the pursuit of style. The Mustang isn't just about speed, it's about the thrill of the journey, the wind in your hair, and the endless possibilities that lie ahead. Muscle cars are the embodiment of raw power on American roads. Take the Dodge Challenger, a beast that roars to life with its aggressive stance and heart-pounding performance. It's not just a car, it's a statement. Then there's the Chevrolet Camaro, sleek and fierce, engineered to dominate the streets. With its turbocharged engines, it leaves competitors in the dust, racing away from anything that dares to challenge it. These machines are designed for those who crave adrenaline, where every rev of the engine ignites a fire within. The thrill of the chase, the rush of speed, this is what muscle cars are all about. The Chevrolet Corvette is more than just a car, it's a legend that has evolved into a true supercar. With the mid-engine C8, we witness a remarkable fusion of speed, power, and beauty. This design shift not only enhances performance but also redefines what a Corvette can be. Under the hood, the roar of its engine is a symphony of engineering excellence, delivering exhilarating acceleration that leaves competitors in the dust. Inside, the cockpit wraps around you, blending cutting-edge technology with a driver-focused experience. The C8 preserves the soul of its predecessors while boldly stepping into the future, proving that the Corvette legacy is alive and thriving. The Tesla Model S is not just a car, it's a glimpse into the future of transportation. Imagine gliding through the city, powered entirely by electricity, with zero emissions. This vehicle redefines speed, accelerating from 0 to 60 in just a few seconds, making every drive exhilarating. The sleek design is matched only by its cutting-edge technology. The massive touchscreen interface puts everything at your fingertips, from navigation to entertainment. And let's not forget the autopilot feature, it's like having a co-pilot that can handle the road while you relax. The Model S embodies innovation, merging performance with sustainability, proving that the future of driving is here, and it's electric. When it comes to off-roading, the Ford Bronco and Jeep Wrangler are the ultimate companions for adventure seekers. Picture this, the Bronco, with its rugged design, effortlessly conquering steep mountain trails, showcasing its power and agility. Meanwhile, the Jeep Wrangler is a master in the mud, its four-wheel drive tackling the toughest terrains with ease. Both vehicles are engineered for exploration, equipped with advanced technology and durable features that make them unstoppable. Whether you're navigating through sandy deserts or winding forest paths, these off-roaders are built to handle any challenge. Adventure awaits, and with the Bronco and Wrangler, you're always ready to embrace it. American cars embody more than mere transportation, they represent a unique blend of art and lifestyle. Each model tells a story, from the classic muscle cars that roared down highways to the sleek, innovative designs of the future. These machines are a testament to creativity and engineering, capturing the spirit of freedom that drives us all. Whether it's the rumble of a V8 engine or the smooth lines of a modern electric vehicle, every car ignites a passion that transcends generations. They are not just vehicles, they are symbols of adventure, individuality, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. In every curve and every detail, American cars remind us that the journey is just as important as the destination.